Welcome back everybody. In this video, I will discuss how to use navigation drawer in Flutter using Getex. This is the navigation drawer which we are going to create. This blue portion is called as the drawer header. This is called as current account picture. This is called as others account picture. And this photo, video, chat, these are called as the drawer items. Okay. Now if I click on photo, then it is moving to the photo view. And if I click again, then you can see the item on which we have clicked, that is selected. If I click on video, then it is moving to video view and the clicked item is selected. How to create this portion I will discuss today. Okay. Now here I have created this project navigation drawer Flutter Getex by using the get CLI tool. Okay. Now after creating the project, I have created a folder named as common. Inside this folder I have created a file named as navigation drawer.dart, and you can see this file contains a class named as navigation drawer which is extending the stateless widget. Okay. Now in this class I am going to create the navigation drawer. Here instead of center I will use drawer. Okay. Now let me save the project. Let me show you the output. Here you can see this drawer has been created. Fine. Now inside this drawer as a child I will take container widget, and as a child of the container widget, here I will take list view. Now as a children of the list view, here I will place the items inside the navigation drawer. First of all, I will create the drawer header. So here I am writing build drawer header, and to save the time, here I have already created a method. Let me paste it. Okay. Now you can see, let me first of all save the project. Now once I save the project, and if I can show you the output, then you can see that navigation drawer has been created. Okay. Now to create this navigation drawer, what I have used user accounts drawer header. Inside that, the first attribute is account name, where I have specified ripples code which has been displayed here. Then account email ripplescode@gmail.com which has been displayed here. Now for the current account picture, I have taken circle avatar, and in the circle avatar I have used background image, where I have used asset image/logo.jpg. Now you can see here that I have created an image folder where I have placed this logo.jpg, and that entry I have done in the pubspec.yaml file. Okay, that's why this image is shown here. Let me move to navigation drawer. Now for the current account picture, if you want, you can set the size also. To set the size, here I have written size.square, and after that the size. Now to create this, we need to use other accounts picture. In the other accounts picture, again I have used circle avatar, but this time I have set the background color as colors.white. That's why here the background color is white. And as a child of the circle avatar, here I have used a text as RC which has been displayed here. And if you want to set the size of this other accounts picture, then you can use others account picture size, and here I have specified the size as size.square 50. Okay, so the drawer header has been created. Now here I will create the drawer items. To create the drawer item, here I have created this method build drawer item, which is taking the text, the icon, the color for the text and icon, what will be the color for the tile, and what will happen whenever the item in the list is pressed. Okay, for that I have created this void callback on tap. Now what this method is returning, this method is returning a list style in which I have used the leading attribute, where I have passed the icon. Which icon will be displayed? Whatever has been stored inside this icon. And what will be the color for the icon? The color for the icon will be whatever the color has been stored inside this. Okay. After that, in the title I have used the text widget, and in the text widget here I have used the text. Okay, whatever is stored inside this text, that will be the title for this list style. And in the style I have used text style, and what will be the color for the text? Whatever is stored inside the text icon color. Fine. Now what will be the tile color? Whatever color is stored inside tile color. And what will happen whenever the list tile item is pressed? That will be stored inside on tap. Fine. Now here I will use a divider, means after the drawer header, that will be a divider, and let me set the color for the divider as colors dot gray. Okay, now if I save this and let me show you the output, then you can see here a divider has been created. Fine. Now after this divider, I have called this build drawer item method 3 times. Okay, now let me explain. For the first build drawer item, in the icon I have passed icons.photo, in the text I have passed photo, in on tap I have called a method navigate. Now this navigate method I have created below, which is taking an integer parameter. Now what this navigate method will do, that portion I will discuss later on. Okay. Now in the tile color here I have checked if get.currentRoot equals to roots.photo. Now from where this roots.photo is coming, if you go to app roots.photo, then here this paths has been discussed or this paths has been written. So here I am making a check, if the current root is roots photo, then the color will be blue. This means if the current root is photo, then the list tile color will be blue, otherwise the color will be null. Similarly, in the text icon color here I have checked, if the current root is photo, then the color will be white, otherwise the colors will be black. Similarly, for the second one, here in the navigate method I have passed the position as 1, and here I have checked if the current root is video, then the color will be blue, otherwise null. Similar thing I have done for the text icon color, and for the last build drawer item, here I have passed the index position in the navigate method as 2. Here I have checked the current root is chat, then the color will be blue, otherwise null. And for the text icon color, I am checking if the current root is chat, then the color will be white, otherwise it will be black. Okay. Now let me save this. Now if I can show you the output, then you can see this drawer item has been created. Now here you can see that the text color and the icon color is black, because here I have written if the get.currentRoot equals to roots.video, then the color will be white, otherwise the color will be black. Now if the current root is not matching, that's why, since the current root is not matching with photo, video and chat, that's why the color is black. Okay. Now I will move to the navigate method, and in the navigate method here I will write the code. Here I will write if index equals to 0, then it will move to get.toNamed, it will move to roots.photo, and let me simply copy paste. Else if index 1, then it will be video, and if it is 2, then chat. Okay. Now let me move to app pages. Here you can see for this root photo, it will call the page photo view. For the root video, it will call the page video view, and for the root chat, it will call the page chat view. And these pages I have already created. Let me move to the photo view. In the photo view, you can see in the scaffold widget in the drawer, I have called the navigation drawer which I have created. Similarly, for the video view, you can see I have called this navigation drawer widget, and for the chat view also I have called this navigation drawer widget. Fine. And in the home view also I have called this navigation drawer widget. That's why this navigation drawer is being shown here in the home view. If I click on photo, then it will move to the photo view, and since in the photo view also I have used the navigation drawer, so that navigation drawer will be visible in each and every page. Okay. Now let me save. Now if I click here in photo, then it is moving to the photo view, and you can see that portion is highlighted with blue color. Why? Because here I have written the logic. In the tile color, if the get.currentRoot equals to photo, then the tile color will be blue. That's why here you can see that the tile color has been changed to blue, and since the current root is not matching with video and chat, that's why the tile color is null. If I click on video, then it is moving to the video view, and you can see that this item has been selected with blue color, and the text color is and the text color and the icon color is changed to white, because here in the text icon color, here I have checked if the current root equals to photo, then the color will be white, otherwise it will be black. Okay, this is how we can use navigation DOIR in Flutter using getX. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.